Lesson 1. Medial letter A. At. Bat. Please repeat. Bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. Mat. Rat. Sat. An. Can. Please repeat. Can. Fan. Man. Pan. Ran. Van. Tan. Ag. Bag. Lag. Nag. Rag. Tag. Wag. App. Cap. Lap. Map. Nap. Rap. Gap. Tap. Add. Bad. Dad. Mad. Pad. Sad. Lad. Ack. Back. Pack. Rack. Tack. Sack. Let's read. A fat rat. Please repeat. A fat rat. A red cap. A red cap. Fed the cat. Fed the cat. A rat on a mat. A rat on a mat. Ham on the pan. Ham on the pan. Nap on the lap. Nap on the lap. Pad in the bag. Pad in the bag. Sack in the van. Sack in the van. Hat on the cat. Hat on the cat. A cat on a mat. A cat on a mat. A wet rag. A wet rag. A fan in the bag. A fan in the bag. Tag on the bag. Tag on the bag. Sat on the mat. Sat on the mat. A red ball. A red ball. Man in the well. Man in the well. Fat cat sat on the mat. Fat cat sat on the mat. Fat rat ran in the hall. Fat rat ran in the hall.